But maybe these are simple enough. The picture. Yeah, okay. So you have the picture and the pieces.
Some sets are so small they don't have instructions. You just look at the picture on the front of the box. But then this set looks like it has cards, which is even better for that age. Yeah. I guess it's enough video. Oh. Alright. Charlie, can you tell Grandpa say thank you? Say thank you. Tell Grandma. Or tell Grandma.
Tell me.
Tell Grandma. Say thank you. Oh, we'll do that later.